Are you struggling to grow your online business? You're not alone. Many entrepreneurs face this challenge. But what if there was a proven way to accelerate your growth? Introducing Russell Brunson's AI Secrets Challenge. This program promises to leverage artificial intelligence for business enhancement. So what is the AI Secrets Challenge? It's a 30-day program designed to teach you how to use AI tools effectively. You'll learn strategies to automate marketing, improve customer engagement, and generate leads. Each day covers specific topics aimed at enhancing growth. Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll learn about identifying customer needs. Understanding your audience is crucial. Next, the program introduces key AI tools that can help analyze data. These tools simplify complex processes, making them accessible to everyone. Then you'll explore content creation. AI can assist in generating unique, engaging content. It can also suggest topics that resonate with your audience. After content creation, the focus shifts to automation strategies. Streamlining operations allows you to save time and focus on growth. Here's an example to illustrate the benefits. Imagine you run a small e-commerce store. You struggle with email marketing. During the challenge, you learn how to use AI to segment your email list. This targeted approach increases open rates and conversions. You see real results in weeks. In summary, the AI Secrets Challenge equips you with valuable skills. It helps you understand your audience, utilize AI tools, and enhance automation. All these elements contribute to faster business growth. Ready to take your business to the next level? Sign up for Russell Brunson's AI Secrets Challenge today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your growth journey. Check more information in description or comment box.